Hello and welcome to the session. Developing Organizational Vision and Strategic Direction, LO2. Understand how to communicate the vision to stakeholders. How can organizations effectively communicate their vision to stakeholders? This video explores various methods to engage and inspire stakeholders with a clear organizational vision. Let's dive into the strategies that drive successful communication. Communication methods are crucial in sharing an organization's vision. They include verbal, nonverbal, written, listening, and visual forms. Each method plays a significant role in ensuring the message reaches stakeholders effectively. Understanding these methods helps tailor the communication strategy. Let's explore how these methods can be applied effectively. A well-communicated vision inspires and engages stakeholders. Leaders must ensure the vision is clear and simple. This clarity helps employees connect daily activities with organizational goals. Effective communication encourages behaviors that advance strategic objectives. Now, let's examine practical methods to communicate vision. A simple vision statement is essential for stakeholder commitment. Management must describe vision details clearly. Well-informed employees align their actions with organizational aspirations. This alignment fosters a shared understanding and commitment. Next, we explore leading by example as a communication strategy. Leading by example is a powerful communication tool. Managers must embody the vision in their actions. This approach reinforces the vision through observable behavior. Employees learn by observing leaders who walk the talk. Let's move on to the role of education in vision communication. Education is crucial for successful vision execution. It equips employees with necessary skills and knowledge. Without education, a vision remains unattainable. Organizations must invest in stakeholder education programs. Now, let's consider the impact of technology on vision communication. Technology has transformed communication methods. Organizations should leverage social media, blogs, and mobile platforms. These tools facilitate effective vision communication. They reach stakeholders quickly and efficiently. Let's discuss the importance of reinforcing the vision statement. Reinforcement ensures stakeholders understand the vision. Regular repetition through meetings and seminars is key. This approach serves as a constant reminder. It encourages alignment with organizational goals. Next, we explore internal communication's role in promoting participation. Internal communication fosters employee participation. It builds commitment to the vision. Effective communication promotes a collaborative work environment. This collaboration is vital for achieving strategic goals. Let's examine different approaches to vision communication. Various approaches can inspire stakeholders. Leaders must share the vision as a collective dream. This approach builds support and engagement. Communication should be broken into specific, understandable goals. Let's discuss the role of leadership style in vision communication. Leadership style influences how vision is communicated. Authoritarian leaders may present vision as commands. Participative leaders involve stakeholders from the start. This involvement enhances engagement and inspiration. Next, we explore communication channels for large organizations. Large organizations require diverse communication channels. Online conferences can connect distributed teams. Language barriers may necessitate translations. Written communication should also be adapted. Let's examine how visual elements can support vision communication. Visual aids like T-shirts with slogans promote vision. They create a sense of belonging among stakeholders. Visual elements reinforce the vision's message. This approach can extend to schools and communities. Now, let's assess how to build support for the vision internally. Internal support is vital for vision realization. Leaders must actively engage management teams. Communication should embrace equality and challenge negative behaviors. A top-down and bottom-up system promotes unity. Let's explore strategies for embracing change within organizations. Organizations must be prepared for change. Change can be internal or external. Effective change strategies are essential. An operating model supports the vision's future state. Now, let's assess ways to communicate vision to external stakeholders. External stakeholders need to understand the organization's purpose. Effective communication fosters cooperation and collaboration. Management must share the vision consistently. Communication should be a two-way, interactive process. Let's examine examples of communication with external stakeholders. Publications and press offices can reach external stakeholders. These methods ensure accurate and timely information. Healthcare blogs offer insights from professionals and patients. They provide valuable information and foster online engagement. Let's consider the use of social media in vision communication. Social media platforms like Twitter communicate vision effectively. They provide updates on performance and goals. Pop-up messages on websites can reinforce the vision. These methods are cost-effective and reach a wide audience. Let's explore the role of flyers and pamphlets in communication. Flyers and pamphlets communicate vision innovations. They inform stakeholders about new initiatives. These materials are readily available for distribution. They support virtual consultation methods. Now, let's discuss the impact of advertisements on vision communication. Advertisements can target a broad audience. They are time-saving and memorable. This method supports vision building and engagement. Advertisements can effectively convey organizational goals. Let's conclude with key takeaways from our exploration. In conclusion, understanding how to communicate the organizational vision to stakeholders is essential for gaining support and commitment. Effective communication ensures that stakeholders clearly understand the vision, its purpose, and their role in achieving it. Using appropriate communication methods, consistent messaging, and active engagement helps build trust and alignment. Understanding how to communicate the vision supports collaboration, motivation, and successful implementation of strategic direction. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843616888.